Hi, I'm Andy the Kenworth Guy. Thanks for coming by the channel today. So today we're going to do a little bit of a different type of video. Normally I feature a truck, but today I'm going to feature a technology. Our trucks come equipped if you're ordering the Diamond VIT interior, or if you order the option on its own with a navigation screen. It's called Nav Plus HD. So I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough tutorial, show you how to pair your phone via Bluetooth to your device, something that I have to do often with customers when they take delivery of their new truck. So if you ever get stuck and you need some help how to do that, well, you found the right place. So let's go check it out and I'll show you how to do this. So here we are in the truck. We're going to turn on the truck here just to see the nav screen. Just turn it on to accessory power. All right, here we go. So basically the first thing that you're going to notice on the nav screen, you have 6 different buttons that you can go to. Kind of in the middle in color. You have a bottom panel down here. This is the back arrow. This is the home screen, and this is your settings. You have a clock up here with the date, and then this is whatever your radio setting is set to. So what I'm going to do here is we're just going to go through the various buttons, what each one does really quick, and then I'll show you how to pair your phone to the device here near the end of the video. So first of all, you have gauges here. Depending on the model of truck that you buy, if you're buying a T880 or a T680, you can customize the gauges, so you can order additional gauges, have multiple screens so you can swipe between the screens. However, on a W900 or a T800, which this is the cab that we're in currently, you have the 6 gauges here: oil temp, tranny temp, turbo boost, your DPF status, your fuel economy, and your engine torque that's being put out. So we're just going to hit the house here, go back to the main screen. This is your navigation, so it's basically your GPS system if you want to use that. Some people still prefer to, no, here we go. Some people still like to use their Rand McNally or their own GPS, a standalone unit on their own. But if you wanted to use that, it's all here. I'm not going to go through the tutorial how to do that currently. You have your audio. So this here is various options here. So you have your media sources right up here. So if you click on that, you have a USB plug, which is on the actual deck, which is up here. I'll just quickly, no, I'll show it to you later. So there's the actual deck right here. There's your USB input. You have a CD player, your auxiliary input, which is right here, and then also Bluetooth. So you can have your phone or tablet hooked up via Bluetooth to the Nav Plus HD screen, and you can stream your music off of there. And then if you wanted to go to radio, you just click on radio. It goes back to this screen. You have AM, FM, Sirius, and then your weather band right up there. Now if you wanted to program in a station, you basically find the station that you want, hold the button down, and then it's programmed. Very simple. So we're going to go back to the home screen. So that's audio. And then as you see here, 89.3 FM, that was the last setting that it was set to. So if you go here and you are on, let's say, Sirius, sorry about the audio here, and then you go back to the home screen, it's going to say that you're on Sirius XM. So it's just kind of it's always going to show up there on the main screen. You have your phone. We're going to come back to that here in a minute. You have your camera views. So if you wanted to hook up cameras to this system. There is a provision for 4 cameras to hook up to the truck, a forward, left, right, and a reverse. So this truck doesn't have them on there. It is an aftermarket add-on, but you can get those through your Kenworth parts store, and it's a PACCAR part, so you can get that and hook those up if you like. You have a clock, very simple. And if you wanted to go to the next screen, you just swipe across here. You have messaging, a calculator, calendar. If you have your phone paired so that it can hotspot to your GPS, you can search the web on the Nav Plus screen, but more than likely you're going to want to search the web on your phone or on your laptop. It's a lot more convenient. Here's your settings, which is this guy right here. You can do a device update, which you would do when you have your phone hotspotting to your device. We'll go to the next screen. You have a phone photo gallery. You can store pictures on the Nav Plus screen if you'd like, and you have a sound recorder if you wanted to record a message. A lot of the functions your phone can do for you, but anyway, so that's basically the main screens here. We're just gonna jump into settings here really quick. So there's 2 screens here. So we're gonna start here with wireless and networks. So on here, if you have your phone, if you wanted to hook on to a Wi-Fi network to do an update, if you're within range of a router, or if you hotspot your phone, you just turn this on and then you connect to the Wi-Fi network. If you wanted to connect your phone via Bluetooth, you just turn this to on, like so, and I will show you how to pair it. So if you wanted to pair your phone via Bluetooth, you just turn this to on and then you tap into Bluetooth, and then you go onto your phone and you look up your Bluetooth networks. So on here it's going to show Andy's iPhone X. So there's my phone right there. So if I wanted to pair it, I just hit the phone that I want to pair it to. It displays a number on your phone, and then that matches here. So you just hit pair and pair on your phone, and it's connected. It's that simple. So just basically go into settings, go to Bluetooth, turn it on, tap into Bluetooth, find your phone, and pair it. Once it's paired, you can download your contacts onto the Nav Plus screen if you'd like, or you can disable that if you want, or you can also have your messages to display on the Nav Plus screen. So we're just going to go back, hit the back arrow here. So we're connected there. Now if you wanted to turn on tethering hotspot, you can go to Bluetooth network connection. So you have to turn on your Wi-Fi. Mine is shut off right now on my phone, but you can turn it on and then you can access the internet through this device. So you have language and inputs, so you can change your language. You can have English, Spanish, or French. You have text to speech. So that's just you don't really go in there ever. Date and time set. Your audio, you can set your system settings for that. Just your software updates, system information is listed here. Your camera settings, if you have them hooked up. Go to the next screen here. You can have additional apps, Android apps, keyboard sounds, you can turn it on and off, and then your display settings. So it's a very simple system, very easy to pair your phone to it. It took 30 seconds to do, but it's a very easy system to work with. And I hope you found this video helpful in getting your Nav Plus HD system hooked up. And I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to be posting, I got a couple W900s coming next week, and I'm really excited to have those videos coming out. We got some T880 day cabs coming through. I'll be doing videos on those as well around the corner. So thanks again for coming by. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a little button that you can click down below here that says subscribe to this channel. And if you want to check out my website, just click up here. It's www.thekenworthguy.com. So I just have a shortcut up here. You can click on that and check me out there. And also you can find me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I'm here on YouTube, of course. Tumblr. You can find me all over the place. So just check me out on those channels if you're interested. I'm doing video and photo posts every week. So again, thanks for coming by. And as always, don't forget, have the world's best day.